It's Logan Thurm. This is the final video for the final presentation. It's going to be kind of a full game demo. So the volleyball you can hit multiple people with since it's got a bigger radius. Let's see if I can do it. See, like right there, I got 2 of them. Lost points because I hit a kid. I can't move around. There I lost a life. See if I can hit 2 of them. Yeah, see, they dropped all the way down to here. Oops, and I spawned the top of one. So like right there, I had 75 points. The goal really was to see how long you can survive and how many points you can get. Let's see if I can. Oops. See if I can do a little better than 75 points. No, not really. Oh, I thought I was going to get all 3 of them. Another one spawned on top. So that time I did much better. That time I got 2,225 points. Like I said, the goal is to survive as long as possible and get as many points as possible.